Yo, this one here goes out to all my players out there, man. You know, they got that one good girl, dog, that's always been there, man. Like,
selamat datang dan salam jumpa dari dunia musik bersama saya News Populer Remix Production.
Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming, for her I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking on these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody on my own, girl. So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody on my own, girl. Just let you walk right out of my life. After all I put you through, you still stuck around and stayed by my side. What really hurt me is I broke your heart. Baby, you were a good girl and I had no right. I really wanna make things right, cause without you in my life, girl, I'm so lonely, so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody.
Jumpa dari dunia musik bersama saya News Populer Remix Production.
Been all over the world, ain't never met a girl that could take the things that you've been through. Never thought the day would come where you would get up and run and I would be out chasing you. 'Cause ain't nowhere in the globe I'd rather be, ain't no one in the globe I'd rather see than the girl of my dreams that made me be so happy but now so lonely. I just want you to call my phone. Stop playing, girl, and come on home. Baby girl, I didn't mean to shout.
Selamat datang dan salam jumpa dari dunia musik bersama saya News Populer Remix Production.